Hi guys! For today's video, ang ipapakita namin sa inyo ay soldering thermometer sensor. Hako 191-212. So guys, ito siya. Hindi natin siya mabuksan kasi guys, nakasealed siya. So ayan guys, focus na lang natin. Focus ko. Ayan siya guys. So, ang laman niya sa isang pack ay 10 pieces. Yan ang ating Hako sensor 191-212. Yan siya guys. So, what's the use of Hako sensor 191-212? The soldering thermometer 191-212 is not a normal thermometer. It is a sensor used to measure the temperature of a soldering iron tip. The 191-212 sensor is mainly used to measure soldering tip temperature. It checks how hot the tip of your soldering iron really is. Works with soldering thermometers like Hako 191 or 192 or FG-100. Number 2, calibrate or adjust soldering stations. Helps you compare actual temperature versus set temperature. Used to calibrate your soldering iron for accuracy. Number 3, improve soldering quality. Ensure the temperature is not too low, weak or bad solder joints, not too high, damages components and tips. Number 4, protect tools and components. Prevents overheating that can burn PCB boards, shorten soldering tip life, and damage electronics parts. So how it works? Number 1, the 191-212 is a thermocouple sensor, very thin wire. Number 2, you touch it to the soldering tip. Number 3, it instantly measures temperature up to 600 degrees Celsius. Special feature, designed for lead-free solder, more durable coating. Replaceable sensor, wears out after repeated use. The 191-212 soldering thermometer sensor is used to check, measure, and calibrate the temperature of a soldering tip to ensure safe and good quality soldering. So guys, yan ang ating Hako sensor 191-212. So ayun lang guys. Please subscribe our YouTube channel and TikTok account. Thank you.